Hi, partner. Happy birthday. At ano ka na? Member ka na namin. Welcome to the club. Pero ang maganda niyan yung discount natin sa kainan. Sigurado na ngayon, hindi mo nahiramin yung ID ko. Sayang at hindi ako makakapunta dun sa birthday mo. At tayo busy ngayon dito kay Jennifer. At sigurado ko naman magiging masaya yon dahil alam mo naman may mga kaibigan din tayo doon na sasama sa celebration mo. O yun lang at sa pagiging senior, ang payo ko lang sa iyo, iwas stress, chill lang, chill. At alam ko naman meron kang blessed ka ng mabait na asawa at mababait na anak. Kaya palagay ko naman kulang stress ka o walang stress. O sige na at enjoy your day. At sana maging masaya kayo lahat. Bye.
Hello everyone. I'm Lisa, the youngest sister of Emil. I would like to thank you all for being a part of this event. Even though we're miles apart, I had to send you my warmest wish. I'm so proud of everything you accomplished over the years. Happy 60th birthday, Kuya. Wish you a healthy, wealthy, blessed birthday. I know Mom has always been proud of you. You've been blessed with a wonderful family. Thank you, Ate Beth. Thank you, Sandy, Patricia, Jessica, for taking care of my kuya. At least my kuya akong hindi pasaway. Enjoy your birthday, and I love you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Brother Emil. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday to you. Senior ka na. So may the good Lord give you a shower of blessings.
Happy birthday po.
And more power to you. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
Po. Happy birthday po. Happy
Take care.
60th birthday. Ingat po kayo dyan. Okay, sige.
Happy birthday, Tito Emil. I know you're turning 60 years old, the big 60. Well, I hope you have a great, happy birthday. I wish we were there. Definitely we'll have a time to go ahead and play tennis and pickleball. I know you're a super fan of that, and we'll be able to go and do that soon, okay? You have a great rest of your birthday, and have a fun time with family and friends. I love you. I love all my cousins there too, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.
Good afternoon. Thank you for the opportunity to greet you a blessed happy birthday, who can always make me laugh. Wishing you good health and prosperity. I know it's another year for you, but you're still cooler than ever. Again, happy born day, brother. I love you.